Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your online store's performance with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your online store's performance with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Analytics section to review your store's performance metrics. Identify key areas that need improvement, such as traffic, conversion rates, and cart abandonment. Next, optimize your store's loading speed. Use a website speed testing tool to analyze your current load times. Reduce image sizes by compressing them without losing quality. Minimize the use of unnecessary apps that can slow down your site. Consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, to speed up delivery. Once your speed is optimized, focus on your product pages. Ensure that each page has high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and relevant keywords. Implement customer reviews to build trust and improve engagement. Next, enhance your SEO through Shopify settings. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and URLs. Set up meta tags and alt text for images to boost visibility in search engines. Now, turn your attention to the checkout process. Simplify it by minimizing the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Enable guest checkout to avoid losing potential customers who don't want to create an account. Integrate multiple payment options to cater to different customer preferences. After optimizing the checkout, focus on marketing strategies. Leverage email marketing campaigns to re-engage past customers. Utilize social media advertising to target your audience effectively. Consider implementing discounts or promotions to attract new visitors. Lastly, regularly monitor your store's performance. Review your analytics frequently to gauge the success of your optimizations. Make adjustments as needed based on data insights to continually improve your store's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.